We ready? We rolling? Okay. Aloha Internet, my name is Rob Cruz, and since I'm taking you on these beautiful little tours of our food forest, I want to introduce myself and give you a little bit of a bite of my background. About 10 years ago, I jumped into the rabbit hole of understanding the wider world around me, and it brought me to a place of despair. And from there, I went on some travels, and I was really inspired and turned on to permaculture and agroforestry, and that really helped me line my life energy with something that was really just so much more meaningful. Agroforestry and permaculture are giving us an avenue to be able to create with the natural world and to rebuild our reciprocal relations with the plants and animals and the microbes, and letting us step into stewardship so we can be creators instead of just being consumers of this natural, beautiful world that we inhabit. And that's what we are here to do at the Kauai Food Forest. We've been gathering here every Saturday for the last 8 years. This is a site that is teaching us, as we teach ourselves, how to create ecosystems that are food systems that are creating soil, creating life, and creating a relationship not only with the plant kingdom, but with our community as well. This garden, these are many, many gardens. They're a living embodiment of our love. And to put that as the highest importance in a culture has the ability to recreate it. Food is not going out of style, my friends, and soil health is the fundamental building block of all civilizations. If you look at our ancestors, all of our ancestors had many plants that they had relations with. And right now we're at this pivotal moment where we're able to access all these genetic plants from all around the world. And these are the legacies of our ancestors. I look around and I see beans from the Orient. I see vines from Central America, herbaceous plants from Russia. And if we are able to align ourselves with these plants and put them in the proper position, in the proper succession, and give them the right role and responsibility, then we can take these barren lands that have been destroyed by our industrial agricultural systems and turn them into something beautiful, turn them into something full of life, full of magic, and to reestablish the wonder of nature and co-creation. What I really am asking for people to do is to just start somewhere. We're all on our own paths, and the path to ecosystem restoration starts within your garden and starts within your trial and error with the plant kingdom. So don't be scared. Plant your plants, mulch the ground, learn the ways that the natural elements are moving through your ecosystem, and harness them and honor them and create life cycles so that the soil can be fed, the water can be stored, and the biodiversity can multiply like it's trying to do. So watersheds, food security, and sovereignty, these are all topics that are hot spots right now, and all of them come back down to stewardship. And if we can find our place as stewards of the natural world, then we can create the abundance that is really unseen and that is possible. But it comes down to our intention. If our intention is not to create ecosystems, we're not going to create ecosystems on accident. So I'm trying to help people step back into stewardship, and that's what this project is about for me.